What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, I will be doing a deep conditioner review. This was my first time using this deep conditioner, and yeah, it helped me achieve what I have going on today. But make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button so you guys, you know what I'm saying, can become part of the Magic Gang, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. All right? Oh. Also, if you guys have not seen my first video where I shampooed and I conditioned, you might want to go check those out. I mean, if you want to be deep conditioning your hair on dirty hair, you know, but if you don't, you should go check those out. I will leave those videos in the description box, and I will leave a card for you to just click it. Cue the intro. So we are back in the shower. I mean, we never left. Alright, this is the MIELLE Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. And as you guys can see, the consistency is thick and chunky like I like my deep conditioners. What? Alright, so this retails for $9.99 on MIELLEorganics.com, and it says that it gives your hair the added hydration it desperately needs with MIELLE Moisture RX. It is infused with ginger and avocado, restores your hair's hydration while preventing split ends.
Come on.
Okay. And as you guys can see, the slip was very good. Now, my hair was already detangled, but you knew that because you saw the video before this one where I washed it and I conditioned it. And you saw, right? So you know. Didn't even need to tell you. Gotcha. Cool. So like I was saying, MIELLE's overnight conditioner can not only help restore important moisture to your hair while you sleep, but it also gives your hair the jump start for the next day. This Moisture RX formula is made to provide deep hydration, protects you from split.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Protects you from split ends, and leaves your hair feeling soft and silky. Okay. It says that it has natural ingredients like avocado oil, shea butter, and coconut oil. Alright. And it says, oh, okay. It says that you're supposed to rinse out in the morning before you shampoo for great results. Wow. So, I mean, clearly I shampooed and conditioned before, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't make a difference with the moisture that it gives you. That's what matters. It's just here for the moisture. But yes, I love this thick, chunky, deep conditioner. I just really like thicker type of deep conditioners. I just feel like they just really moisturize my hair. And as you guys can see, I'm still doing the same thing I was doing from the first video. I am finger detangling. I have my hair in sections, and I am finger detangling this product into my hair to just make sure I get that definition. You do this, if you do this, it's kind of like training your hair. You're training your curls, like you're training the type of pattern. Ooh, I clearly use too much. You guys know I'm a little heavy-handed. I use too much, but we don't waste no product over here. So I'm just finna use that for the other side. Y'all see that? Y'all see the curls in the back? But yeah, we're just gonna apply this to the other side, and I just like to just rake this through and pray your hands this through and just really finger detangle. I'm still gonna go in and I'm going to finger detangle my hair at all angles just to get that definition. Period. You guys knew it was coming. Still, I do this, and then when I am done, I just separate it all down and I just go more in depth. Like, this is what helps me, guys. Like, I'm trying to tell you, this is what helps me with my definition. And when I'm done, I just throw it up in a ponytail, and I put a plastic cap on, and I call it a day. So yeah, I'm just gonna do overnight. Well, technically it wasn't overnight because I kind of kept it in for a couple days. Yeah, I kept it in for like going on 2 days, I think. Maybe like a day and a half, something like that. I know I kept it in. My bun, I ended up getting out of the shower and putting it into a bun, a man bun at the top, and it looks really good. So I just kept it in. But here I am rinsing the deep conditioner out of my hair, and y'all see the moisture. Y'all see the definition. Y'all see it, and I'm so sorry for this angle. This is so horrible. This angle is so horrible. This is trash. Sorry for the trash angle, but I am going to like transfer over to, because I saw that it wasn't a good angle, so I am going to transfer over to the handheld one. I don't know why I just don't even use it. Oh, I know why, because it's broke. You guys see it's broke. If you didn't know that, well, yeah, it's a little broke, so I don't really like to use the handheld, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use the handheld one. So I'm going to make sure that the conditioner is rinsed out of my hair, and you guys see the moisture. You see the definition. You see how moisturized my hair looks. I was very satisfied with this product. Okay, so now we're going to be going in with the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Hair Milk. I really love Maui Moisture. I love their ingredients. I love the moisture that it gives my hair. So this is also my first time using this product. So we're going to see how it is, and I'm going to be doing this in the shower just so my hair can just have that steam and that heat, and my hair cuticle is very open and receptive to products right now. So this is the first step to moisture in a wash and go. So sometimes I like to do this step in the shower just so my hair can just really receive all of that moisture. Look how the product is soaking into my hair. Now, the Maui Moisture website, I don't think that they sell actual products from the website because I don't see a price on here. It just tells you where to buy. You can buy it from like Amazon. You can buy it from Walgreens. But the description for this product is a rich coconut oil. Rich coconut oil is blended into this creamy leave-in milk along with papaya butter and some type of other word extract. I will leave it on the screen. It helps detangle, defrizz, and define your curls while enhancing softness and body for shiny, bouncy coils or waves. Glides through hair with ease to enhance curls. Now it is gliding through my hair with ease, and as you guys can see, my hair looks so moisturized. My hair looks so defined, and I'm going to make sure I get excess product and put it onto my scalp, because I don't waste no product around here, and y'all know this. Period. Look at that. Look at that moisture going into my scalp like that. Look at that. Look at that. This is crazy. Get that undercut, get them edges, because them needs some moisturizing too. Now I'm going to put this plastic bag over my head to just keep this moisture and trap this heat and steaminess into this cap. So now with the bag on my head, I'm going to just continue to wash up, and when I am ready, I get out of the shower and I come and I style my hair, and when I take that cap off, it's just gonna be greatness, and y'all gonna see when we get into the next video. But if you found this video helpful, and if you saw the moisture and you're liking the goodness that you see so far, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I really work hard on my videos, and make sure you guys hit that big red button so you can subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealJMajor so you become part of the Major Gang. Leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, but make sure you guys stay tuned, because my next video is going to be how I style my hair. So stay tuned.
Yeah! Astro.